What's up, Bullish Friends? Hope you guys are doing well out there today. Let's talk about drip. Now, you guys know I'm bullish on drip. I haven't done a drip video in a while, just basically because there hasn't been anything to really talk about with drip. You know, I know the price is down, and there have been people who completely FUD over that, and I totally understand. I know, like, if you're not on the drip train anymore, I totally get it. I'm still on the drip train. I still believe in drip. I want to talk in this video a little bit about my current strategy, which is going to be pretty simple. Let's talk, and I'll talk about several other things here that involve drip. But let's first talk about like the only strategy I think that's available right now. Unless you have a max wallet, I think all you want to do is simply come in here and just keep hydrating. I'm up to almost 1.5K drip now, so that's grown. But with the price down, the balance that I have in here has gone down. So ultimately, long term, I think, you know, and I've said this several times in the past, we have to get back into the bull market for the prices of this kind of stuff, this DeFi stuff, to shoot up for the most part. And I mean, right now we're at a 73-cent drip, which, you know, it's not great. Obviously, we need this to be higher. $10 drip would be great. You know, $100 drip, obviously amazing. But right now, we need to just focus on getting this back up. So drip also is going to need more utility, and I know all that's planned. But until that stuff actually rolls out, it doesn't give anyone anything to get super excited in drip. So I know all this stuff is planned by Forex Shark and all this stuff's coming out, but ultimately that stuff has to roll out. But I'm still bearish on it. So since I'm bearish, though, I will tell you flat out, I'm not putting a lot of money into drip right now. Now is if you haven't gotten deep into drip, like now is a good buying opportunity. Like, shoot, I mean, it's virtually. It's not super expensive to grab yourself a 100, 200, 500 drip right now if you really want to just put a little bit of cash into it. I mean, again, when I got into it, drip was like $120 some. So, you know, now is a good buying opportunity if you believe in the ecosystem. Where I'm going with my money right now, I've been getting into like staking into DAG, which they just took off their DAG, and I'll get into another full video on this at some point, but DAG, not long ago, you had to have 250,000 DAG just to be able to stake it. Well, now they've lowered that all the way down to 100 DAG. So I've been getting into that. As you guys have seen, you know, maybe have seen some of my other videos where I talk about ADS, Alchemy. I'm big into that because I think they're going to fix the advertising system that's currently available online. GeoJam, all kinds of stuff. So I'll do separate videos on all of that stuff. But that has kind of like pulled me away from drip a little bit. Not that I don't think drip, you know, again, drip long term, I think is going to be great, but I think this other stuff has 100, 500x, 1000x opportunities, and now is a great buying point for those. And I like to be diversified. I don't like to just be in one thing. And sometimes that's good, but sometimes that's bad. But where it's good is if one of the programs you're in crashes, dies, like, you know, kind of like some of the stuff like Horde and some of the other projects, Strong Block and that kind of stuff, well, you're not totally screwed because you're in other stuff. Like, you know, and drip kept me alive through a lot of that downturn when some of the other projects crashed. So it's good to be diversified, and that's something that I like to focus on. So that's where I'm going. It doesn't mean I might not buy some more drip coming up. Like, I might throw a few hundred more into this, like grab at least a few hundred more drip to grow into this, because I want to get my deposits up much higher than my claims too. Like, I'm getting close to balancing this out, but this needs to go up higher. So that's my current, thought process on drip, and that's where I'm going. And again, I'm bullish on it. So I haven't. I know a lot of you guys might not be, but I still am, and I still really like it. Now I'm going to do this off video today, but I am going to do a payout to my team. I'm going to send you guys some airdrops today. So I don't want to do all this on video because I've got 9 people to send to, so it'll take a little bit of time here. So I'm going to send that. I'm going to send to all 9 people on my team. If you want to get on my team, jump. There's a link below. Jump on that team. And you can get payouts from time to time from me. So guys, that's about like my assessment on Drip right now. I hope you guys are doing well out there. I've got more videos coming this week, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. See you in the next one.